Hello, my friends. This is Carlos. You probably were used to going into Facebook with Zoom and you were able to stream into your groups. But as of April 22nd, that is not an option anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to guide you through what you're going to have to do so you can now get everything so you can connect into your groups with Zoom. So here on my screen, you're looking at, and the first thing that we're going to need is that we need to get an Rtmp key. And I have a video that will go step by step in how you can get your Rtmp key. So now what we're going to have to do, that will take you step by step how to get the key. What I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to help you how you can put the information so you can go into your group. So first thing, we're going to need to go into your Zoom settings. And you're going to enable custom streaming. So you see, that's what's going to make the difference in how you're going to be able to go into your Facebook groups. So let's dive into that. Okay, so I just logged in into my Zoom account in their website. You need to do this first in their website, not through the client. I repeat, this setting is only available in the website. So you need to go into zoom.us, log in, and you're going to come here to the left where it says settings. And then you can scroll down or you can just click in meeting advanced and then scroll down and look for allow live stream of meetings. And you're going to make sure that this option in here, custom live streaming services, are enabled. And if you do webinars, you're also going to do it for both. That's what's going to give you the opportunity that now you're going to put your custom key for streaming into your Facebook group. Okay. So after you do that, we're going to go into the to Zoom so we can then enable this feature. So let's go there. So I am in Zoom and this is a brand new client. So if you don't have it, they did the update as of last week. This is the new look and feel. And in the bottom, you're going to see that the icons look a little bit different, but there is this more option in the bottom bar. You need to be doing this from the client. So download the client. Click more, and you're going to see the option for live broadcasting. Remember, we enabled a new option. Before, you were going directly into Facebook. That's not going to work anymore. You have to go here, live on custom live streaming service. Click that, and a web page, let me just bring it here, will open so you can configure your custom live streaming key URL, and you need to put a live streaming page URL. This throws off a lot of people. So let me just explain you. This two, the streaming URL and the streaming key, they come directly from Facebook. This other option, you can put any value that you want. What this is doing is telling the people in the Zoom that this is getting live streamed if they want to go and watch it there. But in your case, you just need to type something. So you're going to put your information and then you can go live. You're seeing that mine has something different here, the resolution. I have a business enterprise account, so I have higher resolution for Zoom. Yours may not have this option. Don't worry. So let me just type the information and then we can move forward. Now that I type the information, one detail is that you're going to click go live, but your video will not be live. I explained all that in the video how to get your key, but I'm gonna go over it. So when you click go live, this will start sending your signal to Facebook. Facebook for groups now require you to click go live. So where do we find that? If you go into your group, you click like you're gonna open a brand new post, and you click the three little dots and you click live video. Okay. You have to click go live. Again, you're setting all that you have to do before. Because what it's doing is that it's creating everything so you can go live. You go back into the page that Zoom creates and you click go live. This is preparing the live stream, but you're not live yet. Okay? So this is redirecting me to the page that I told them. But again, you're gonna see that there is nothing that is live, and that throw off a lot of people. You had to go back to your live producer, and you see that here now this top one says that your source is connected. Your post is completed if you want to change your details. So again, if you change it or not. And now is that you can go live. Now is that you're gonna be live. It's a little bit of more work right now. I don't know why they did it that way, but you need to go through that. Until you don't press this go live button, you will not be live with your Zoom or with any other platform. Now for every platform, same for Ecamm, for Zoom, for StreamYard, for any of them, you have to do that. So there you have it, my friends. After you go that, even though your Zoom may right now show you, you see that here, that is sending data. You see on the top, is sending data, but it's actually, you're not live. So you may think that you're going through the whole thing and you'll do your teaching or your training, but you're not live until you don't click the live button. So there you have it, my friends. If you have any questions, please let me know.